will be teaching you how to get rid of your skin tag at home, DIY. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a choice girl, Edith. Yeah, guys, I'm so excited today. As you all know, baby girl is always excited. Guys, I am so excited today because we're going to be treating something we are really going to like. Okay, this is a very frequent search. Okay, and we are going to be treating it today, like right now. Okay, we're going to be treating how to get rid of your skin tags at home. Okay, interesting, right? So many people have really been curious on how to get rid of their skin tags. Okay, they don't know how to get rid of their skin tag. Now, before we go into that, we are going to be talking about skin tags. Okay, why some people get skin tags? Some people just get skin tag naturally, while some it's not actually natural. Now, we're going to be looking at it in a medical condition, okay? Why some people have skin tags, all right? Some people have skin tag due to diabetes. Yeah, okay. A diabetic patient could have a skin tag, all right? So if you have a skin tag, all right, you should find out if it's the natural one or if it's the one that is a symptom to diabetes. Okay, so you have to be really sure of what's the cause of the skin tag. Now, another way you could have skin tag is gene, all right, hereditary. If there is someone in your family who has a skin tag, all right, if there's someone that have a skin tag in your family, that could be the cause why you're having skin tag also. All right, that means you inherited it from whosoever that person is. All right, so either you could have skin tag, it could be hereditary, it could be a symptom of diabetes, or some people just find themselves having skin tag due to some things they applied on their skin. All right, so that could those are the causes of skin tags. All right, so let's get down to how we could get rid of skin tags at home. Remember, this video is how to get rid of skin tag at home, not generally how to get rid of skin tags, because there are other ways to get rid of skin tags that is not at home, okay, like through surgical stuff, but we are not going into that. We're going to look at how to get rid of it at home. All right, so the first thing I'm going to be telling you what you could use, all right, to get rid of your skin tag at home. One thing you can use to get rid of your skin tag is tea tree oil. Yes, tea tree oil. And why is because tea tree oil contains anti-inflammatory property ingredients, okay? So how do you apply these tea tree oils? And note, I want to say something. This tea tree oil, it might work for some skin tag. It might not work for some skin tag. Yes. Okay, there are some skin tags that are very big, extremely big. Well, I'm still going to go into that. I'm going to be giving us different method on how to get rid of your skin tag. So in case one does not work for you, the other one will definitely work for you. So just listen and follow it step by step. All right. Now, how can you apply tea tree oil on your skin tag to help it remove your skin tag? All right. Now, how you apply tea tree oil? You wash the areas, okay, wherever wherever you're having your skin tag, okay, you wash it properly. Then you take a cotton wool or a cotton pad, drop your tea tree oil on it, make sure it is soaked, okay. Then you use it to wrap the skin tag. If it's skin tag that are big, okay, that you could wrap it, use it to wrap. If it those ones that are small, you just get a big cotton wool, you apply good amounts of tea tree oil on it, then you place it wherever you have the skin tag, then you make sure you bandage it, okay. Now, if you have it around the chest, I can't advise you to bandage your whole chest, right? You just use a plaster, okay? Use it to seal it up. And of course, while doing that, you really have to put on a cloth that would cover you here, okay? If it is in a revealing part like this, okay? And if it is on your face, of course, you have to do that while you are at home. You can't take it out. Of course, we know this is a DIY, okay? We are not going to surgical method that you just go and take it off once and for all. So you have to follow due process. So number two, the second way you could get rid of your skin tag is garlic. Yes, garlic. Remember, if the first step don't work for you, try the second step, all right? Since if you don't have the money to go for a surgical operation, okay, on your skin, you want to try a DIY, all right? You can try garlic, all right? Garlic. What you do, you cut a garlic, or I would prefer if you match your garlic, okay? Match your garlic. Make sure you have the juice coming out. Don't add water, just match it. Then you apply it, you use it, place it wherever you have the skin tag, and you cover it, okay? Allow the garlic absorb into the skin tag. But one thing you should know, there is a disadvantage using garlic, okay? One of the disadvantages are it could irritate your skin, okay? So my advice for you, if you have a skin tag on your face, don't try this method on your face, okay? So you don't end up, it doesn't end up irritating your skin. Guys, it's not really easy, okay? So it doesn't end up irritating your skin, okay? But if you have it any other part of your body, you could give it a try, okay? Apply the garlic and make sure you cover the areas, okay? And allow it to dry up, allow it to absorb, okay? You could do this overnight. The tea tree oil, you could do it overnight, okay? You could do it overnight. So that's what you should do. Keep on doing it like that and like that until you get your result. The third step we are going to be trying is apple cider vinegar. Yes, apple cider vinegar, okay? Apple cider vinegar is one method you should give a try. I'm going to be putting up the picture up here, okay? Now, make sure you are getting the original apple cider vinegar. Take note. Make sure you are getting the original apple cider vinegar so you don't end up complicating issues. Okay, so now you get the apple cider vinegar. Don't forget, in all methods I've told you, before trying them out, make sure you wash where you have the skin tag. Okay, make sure it is washed. All right, now after washing the skin tag, the area, okay, you get the apple cider vinegar. You dip it in you dip your cotton wool inside the apple cider vinegar. Make sure it is soaked. You apply it wherever you put it wherever you have the skin tag and bandage it. Yes, why we are always tying it off is so the ingredients, the particle, everything can sink into the skin tag so it could fall off. All right, now you should know apple cider vinegar, it has acid, okay, and that acid is going to irritate, it's going to help dissolve the skin tag, it's going to make it fall off. Of course, apple cider vinegar is also being used on the skin, but that is apple cider this is your apple cider vinegar just like that, okay? That's when you want to use it aside for skin tag. You dilute it. Now you could see it has chemical, okay? Using your apple cider vinegar just like that on your skin, it would irritate your skin. So that is why it is very good in terms of taking off your skin tag. While using it for your skin tag, please don't dilute it, okay? Because if you're diluting it, you're reducing the effectiveness of the acid, okay? And it's not going to help the skin tag fall off, all right? So you don't dilute it. Just take it and apply it where you have your skin tag, all right? You cover it and leave it throughout the night, overnight. And the next morning, you take it off, you try it again at night. You keep on doing that until you see your perfect result. Now, I want to tell you something. Why doing a DIY? Anything DIY, you should know it is not Osha Papa, it's not Ozubo Ozubo. You take your time. Wine, small, small. Okay? Dear, la man you do it small, small. Okay? Anything DIY, don't rush. The last way I'm going to tell you how to get rid of skin tag is by tying it. Yes, by tying it. If your skin tag is the one that you could pick, all right, there are some that are very, very little, you can't really pick it. If your skin tag is the one that you could pick, all right, you get a thread, like this sewing thread, the one using sewing your clothes. Yes, you get a thread, tie it very tight, firmly tie it, okay? Then you leave it like that. Don't loosen it until it falls off. It's going to fall off, okay? So when it fall off, you might sustain injury, all right? So what you just do, you have your Vaseline, use your Vaseline, apply on it so it could heal off, all right? So those are the steps you could get rid of your skin tag. Now, all the steps I've mentioned, okay, always have your Vaseline ready on ground, okay, because when it falls off, you could have injury, okay. So to heal the surface, you apply your Vaseline on it, all right, you apply your Vaseline on it so it could heal off. I hope with this video I've been able to help someone. If you've watched the video to this extent and you've really learned from it, do well to hit this subscribe button, okay? You could see I've given you tips, okay? Tips. So click on the subscription button, okay, and click on the bell notification so you would always get notified whenever we drop a new video. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. You are my real OGs. Thank you for staying till now. I really hope I've helped someone out there. Thank you for staying tuned. Thank you for supporting this channel. God bless you. Bye.